Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Moyu RS3M. First, carefully unbox your new cube and give it a few initial turns to get a feel for its out-of-the-box performance. You'll find the adjustment system conveniently located under the center caps on each face. Remember, the cube arrives with a default setup, but we'll customize it to your preference for optimal solving. Next, let's adjust the tension. Use the small tool provided with your cube to modify the spring compression or screw tension. It's crucial to make small, even adjustments, perhaps 1/4 of a turn at a time, on all 6 sides. Tighter settings will give you more stability and control, while a looser setup will significantly increase your cube's speed and corner cutting ability. Now, let's talk about lubrication, a key step for peak performance. Apply just a few drops of your preferred speedcube lubricant directly onto the internal pieces of the cube. Then, perform several solves or simply turn the layers vigorously to ensure the lubricant spreads evenly throughout. Remember, different lubricants offer unique characteristics, impacting speed, control, and how long the smooth feel lasts. Finally, it's time for fine-tuning and braking in your cube. Don't hesitate to experiment with various tension settings and lubricant combinations until you discover your perfect feel. A crucial step is allowing for a break-in period, typically several hundred solves, for the cube to truly settle. If your Moyu RS3M model supports it, you might also consider adjusting the magnet strength for even greater customization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.